Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a task in Hubspot CRM. Alright, let's begin. First, log into HubSpot and hover your mouse over the navigation menu. Click on Tasks. Once you're there, click on Create Task. Now start filling in the details. Add a task title, select the task type, and set the priority level. Next, choose whether to associate the task with any records. You can also assign the task to a specific person. Here I'm assigning it to myself. If you want to add the task to a queue, you can do that as well. Set the due date, let's say 1 week from now, and choose the time, like 8:15 a.m. If you want the task to repeat, check the repeat option and set how often you want it to recur. You can also add a reminder by setting a specific due time and include additional notes if needed, for example, XYZ. Once all the fields are complete, click on Create. That's it. Your new task has been added to Hubspot CRM. So that's basically how you can create a task in Hubspot CRM. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.